guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I do my roller set. So let's get started. First, I section my hair off into about 6 sections. This is 2, and this is 3, 4, 5, and 6 is in the middle. So I give my hair a quick comb. So I'm using the Lotta body foaming mousse, and I apply this to my roots, and I make sure that my hair is saturated with the product. I comb it with my dimming brush just to get my hair smooth. And what I do here is that I get the roller to the end. I make sure that my ends are smooth, and as I roll my hair down, I make sure that I pull my hair taut. Actually, with every roll, you just want to make sure that it's pulled taut. Also, you want to have your hair, you want to have the roller pulled up, like almost pulling it forward like I'm doing here, because this will help to make sure that you get your roots straight. This is probably one of the most important steps to making sure that your roots are as straight as possible. And then I grab my snap-on clip and I secure the roller. So I've sectioned off this section, and I use my rat tail comb to divide the section. And again, I use my mousse to make sure that my hair is saturated. And I use my dimming brush to smooth out my hair. And first thing, I get the roller to the ends of my hair, and I make sure those ends are smooth. This is really important. You don't want frizzy ends. And then I start to pull my hair, and see here how I have it. I have it pulled forward, up and forward. And I'm just smoothing the roller as I go down. It's really, really, really important to have that roller pulled up as much as possible. You don't want to pull it out like horizontal, but you want to pull it up. And then I just do this all around my head. So you can just see that I'm rolling and snapping. You want to make sure that it gets smooth like I'm doing here. And you want to make sure that you pull it up because you want those roots to be straight. And my hair started to get a little bit dry here. You got 2 options. You can either put more water on it, or you can just saturate it with more foaming mousse. And this roller right here illustrates my point the best. First, I'm smoothing the hair around the roller, making sure it's straight as possible, and then I'm pulling the roller up towards the ceiling as much as possible. I'm not pulling it out towards the door or towards the mirror. So my hair started to dry out by this time, but you really want to make sure your hair is damp, if not wet. You can use the foaming mousse to make it more wet, but you don't want to put too much on because it'll get sticky. So just make sure you have enough of it on. And also, by the way, I decided to use the foaming mousse because it helps your hair stay together. You can use, other setting lotions and so forth, but your hair will come apart on the roller. I don't know if that makes sense, but just trust me, if you use this mousse, your hair will wrap around the roller more smoothly. So again, here I'm just smoothing the hair around the roller and making sure I have enough product, and I'm pulling it taut, and I'm making sure that my roots are straight, and then I put snap on it. So this is what the finished roller set. So I sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half. It actually took me about an hour and a half to roll it. So here I'm just taking the rollers out, and they seem to be mostly dry. I wasn't completely sure, so I took a few clamps and I just pinned the curls back up in place so that I could sit under the dryer for a few more minutes. Here, I didn't think it was all the way dry, so I rolled it back up with my fingers, this one and this one, and I just put a clamp in. So I'm just spraying my hair with some Design Essentials Oil Sheen spray. I didn't want my hair to lose the shine, so I went ahead and sprayed some more. So I've taken the rest of the rollers out and I've taken out the clips, and these are my final results. So my hair is bouncy and it's fluffy and shiny, and I'm really liking the results. So yeah. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.